let's let Rusty tell you about how the product works for him and his environment, and how the versatility of the systems work for you. Rusty, you talk to the people a little bit about how you use this stuff.
Yeah, the great thing that I noticed this year about this product is that it is accommodating from the time I'm working in the summertime, like in early fall, tearing out beaver dams, camo and duck blinds. You've got your Pilot Series coat and you've got your co-pilot out. Mm-hmm. So it's just a little jacket on those cool mornings or evenings, or just when it's raining, you know, you're dry. The same coat though will turn around and work for you in the fall and in the winter when it's 10 degrees, which is awesome. And the same goes with the waders and the new Grand Refuge Wader system. You know, that liner will come out for early in the year, stick it in, and you're good to go through January. All in one system. I don't know of anybody else that does that.
It takes a little more time and effort to build a modular system, especially one that's affordable like this is. I mean, you know, you look at the retail prices, you know, less than $220. You've got a versatile waterfowl system that's got all the features you would ever need.
At the end of the day, you can be set up from head to toe, waders, coats, anything you need. Frogg Toggs will have you outfitted for less than what one pair of some of the waders on the market today cost.